Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Have you ever felt nervous about going to the doctor in an English-speaking country? Don't worry. Today, we're going to make it super easy for you. We'll learn how to book an appointment, describe your symptoms, and understand the doctor's advice. Let's learn some real, useful English for your daily life. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's see how to make an appointment over the phone. Imagine you need to call the clinic. Let's listen to the dialogue. Good morning, City Clinic. How can I help you? Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor, please. Of course, have you been here before? No, I haven't. This is my first time. Okay, can I have your full name, please? Yes, it's Maria Garcia. Thank you, Maria. And what's the reason for your visit? I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I see. Dr. Smith has an opening tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Does that work for you? Yes, 10:30 a.m. is perfect. Great, we'll see you tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Please bring an ID with you. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Now, let's move on to the actual consultation with the doctor. You've arrived at the clinic and it's your turn to see Dr. Smith. Let's listen. Good morning, Maria. I'm Dr. Smith. Please, have a seat. What seems to be the problem? Good morning, doctor. I have a bad cough and a very sore throat. It started 2 days ago. I see. Do you have any other symptoms? A fever? A headache? Yes. I have a slight fever, and I feel very tired. Okay, let me take a look. Please open your mouth and say, "Ah." Your throat looks a bit red. I'm going to check your temperature and listen to your lungs. Okay. All right, you have a small fever. It sounds like you have a common cold. Oh. Is it serious? No, don't worry. It's not serious, but you need to rest. I recommend you drink plenty of fluids, like water and tea. You should also get a lot of sleep. Should I take any medicine? Yes, you can take paracetamol for the fever and the sore throat. You can buy it at any pharmacy. You don't need a prescription. Okay, doctor, thank you very much. You're welcome. If you don't feel better, in 3 or 4 days, please come back. I will. Thank you. Now, let's imagine you need to go to the pharmacy to get your medicine. Let's see how that conversation goes. Hi, how can I help you? Hello. I'd like to buy some paracetamol, please. The doctor recommended it for a cold. Of course. Do you want the pills or the syrup? The pills, please. Here you are. That will be $6. Okay. How often should I take it? You should take 1 pill every 8 hours. Do not take more than 3 pills in 24 hours. Okay, 1 pill every 8 hours. Got it. Thank you. You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you. This is a very straightforward conversation. Going to the doctor can be stressful, but knowing these simple phrases can make a huge difference. Practice them out loud, and you'll be prepared for your next visit. Remember, communication is key to getting the best care. Now for my question to you, which phrases from today's video do you think are most useful at the doctor's office? Write your answer in the comments below in English. I'd love to see what you've learned. Thank you so much for watching and for learning with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.
Bye.